telling me work it. I ain't got no choice. Oh boy,
Throw that ass back. Come on. Her friends and her mom made me go.
What's up, YouTube? Don't mind how I'm looking right now. I just woke up. Today is the day. Alright, as y'all can see by the title, today I'm going to be doing a day in my life vlog. But right now, I'm supposed to finish up my schoolwork. And I'm going to go get my nails done. And I think I'm going to do this wig promotion that I got to do. Ooh, this itch. So this gotta come down. So I think I'm just put on the other wig.
I said, girl, why you keep calling? I said, girl, why you keep calling? Yeah, she said, I need a new whip. Yeah, cause I know that you're still ballin'.
From a girl on Instagram. She sent me a whole bunch of skincare products, and this is the aloe vera face wash. I'll put her Instagram right here or something so y'all can get this. It smells so good. But yeah, it come out as like mousse, like it's a pumper. Come out like mousse, like this. Period. Alright, I'm done washing my face. I'm finna find me something to wear. I'm not finna find me nothing cute just to wear because I'm going to the nail salon. I'm coming back home. I'm gonna get cute and be in my room. And the girl who sent me products, she sent me a whole bunch of other stuff too. She sent me like 4 pairs of lashes. All the lashes cute. I'm gonna put some of these on. But yeah, I'm gonna put her Instagram up in the description so y'all can go shop from her because yeah, she sent me some body scrubs. This is the 2 things that I use today. It's the aloe vera face wash. So I'm done getting dressed now. I'm waiting for my mama to get done getting ready. Even though she's already getting ready before me, she's still not done, and my lace is left in. My lace looking real trash right now, but I don't care because let me get off this camera. Brandon, what you got on?
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
nail salon. I got these nails. I'm gonna do my hair. This what the wig came in. It's from Diva Wigs. Yeah, y'all. So as y'all can see, this bitch, it won't come off. You wanna know why, baby? You gotta get down by a key, lay my lace glue, cause it's gonna lay that lace. And this wig been on. My mama playing music and that's annoying because I wanted to talk in this video, but I don't want to get copyrighted.
He fucking that shit up. Oh God! Stop, y'all! Y'all are being mean. Eat, ugly.
Alright, y'all. So I'm recording off my other phone. I finished. Can you stop? I wasn't finna do my makeup appearance, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just do it. Wow. But yeah, I'm just gonna fill out my eyebrows. I don't even know what to talk about, and she playing that music. I can't even freaking talk. You failed abortion. Don't mind her. How y'all being? Like, I don't even be talking. I know it look dark right now, but it's gonna be cute later. Just trust the process. I've been working on makeup. I don't even know how to do makeup for like that. Should I show you the products I use? But this is not even a tutorial. It's just like get rid of me, I guess. I forgot what I was gonna name it. All right, let's get into the foundation and stuff. Conceal. Okay, after 1,000 years of struggling, I finally got them on there. Like, finally, like, I look still casket sharp, but let me like go up in here a little. So, how did I do your? So, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna put on a little outfit, I guess. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. It's not even like a fancy outfit. It's just regular.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And go check out all my other videos. Bye!